Hello and welcome back. Before we start reviewing the last week, I want to talk about my signal service that I'm getting ready to launch. I mean, it's not ready yet, but we're looking to launch the service, no later than March 1st. So what are we? Maybe another month and a half, or sooner if I can make it work. And it's primarily going to be for people who are investors in the U.S. Who can't use ZuluTrade, or anybody who can't use ZuluTrade to follow my signals, right? And maybe eventually I'll try and transition off of ZuluTrade, but ZuluTrade's been, just at least recently, has been pretty good to me, so I'm not going to rush to break that relationship anytime soon. All right, so let's get on with last week. We ended the week with 72% profit from the start. Our balance was 422. Now, don't pay attention to the balance over here because this video is being recorded very late. And that number is not right. Okay, so we had a balance of $422. We were up 72%. Okay. We had this basket of 3 that had been open for 2 days, over 2 days, and it closed out the week with the basket open, which was really frustrating. And not only that, but I mean, the price just went crazy against us the whole time and ended the week way up here. I can't remember what that was, but it was like 92 pips or something, right? If we go, let's see, from the open price, that's 130 pips from the open price of the first trade that went in. That's crazy. And so it was, but the week ended well, right? We had, even though we essentially lost 2 days of trading activity, the other 3 days had enough activity to make up for the lost 2 days, which was awesome. Okay, so Monday, let's go to Monday. We closed that basket of 3. Let's see, what else? We opened 2 more trades. We closed that basket of 3. We closed 2 more. There's one right there that you can hardly see. And then there's a second one here. They're tiny trades, but they were trades no less, and they were profitable. And then we opened a new basket of 3, and again, the price went way against us. And so again, we're stuck. But we closed 3 from the previous basket. We closed 2 more, so we had 5 closed trades. So it was a really good trading day. Okay, I'm not gonna complain. So yeah, Monday, let's see, we closed the basket. So our balance now is 432, and that's up $10 from last week. We're at 76% gains from the start at this point. And so we're looking good, right? So let's go to Tuesday. Tuesday we had absolutely nothing. The price just went against us, and it just stayed way up there. It started to retrace, but it stayed way up there for a while. And then almost at the close of Tuesday, we finally closed that basket of 3, which means we met our quota for Tuesday with 3 closed trades. All right. So we ended up with 77% gains by Tuesday, or by the close of Tuesday. Our balance was 433, up $1 from yesterday. And no new trades, but we still hit our target, which was good. All right, Wednesday. Let's look at Wednesday. Okay, we're getting close to Christmas here. We're almost to Christmas Eve. Wednesday was a pretty good day, right? We had, Wednesday we closed, we didn't have any baskets opened, but we did have a basket that opened and closed early Wednesday. So there's 2, 3, 4, right? 7 trades that we closed, which is a great day. I mean, that's more than double our expectation. Okay. And we had one that opened and stayed open at the close of Wednesday, right? So now Wednesday's gains were 80%, right? Yes, Tuesdays we were at 77. Wednesday we hit 80% gains. Okay, our balance was $440. So what was that? Up $7 from Tuesday. So we're looking pretty good. Wednesday was a great day. All right, Thursday was Christmas Eve, and we closed the trade from Wednesday. And then at that point, I decided, since this is the safe signal, I'm going to shut it off and let it sleep for 2-3 weeks until I start it up again. Okay, so we closed Thursday with 1 trade. Friday was Christmas, so there was no trading whatsoever. So at that point, I decided, yeah, let's kill the signal for a little while, because we're going to be hitting January volatility, and things are going to get really ugly, or potentially really good. Depends on which side if you catch it on the right side or the wrong side, right? But the thing is, with normal volatility, it doesn't matter which side I catch it on. I could catch it on the wrong side or the right side. I mean, look at Tuesday and Wednesday were classic examples. I got that one wrong, right? Okay, I got this one wrong, and I got out, right? Same thing with these guys, right? I got that one wrong, and I still got out unharmed, right? It cost us time, but it didn't cost us any money. But when the volatility is as bad as January and sometimes early February, when you call it wrong, it could really hurt you. And so that's why I gave you a peek into the future. Pretend you didn't see that. Right, so I said, okay, I was already planning on shutting off the signal the day after Christmas if I had no trades open. But then I decided, well, let's close it before Christmas. And so we ended it there. So it was a great week. Okay, we started the week with $422, 72% profit. We ended the week with $441, an 80% profit, which is a $19 gain for the week, which represents 4% profit just in 1 week, right? So let's say 4%, 4% a week is what, 16, 20% per month. So that's incredible gains. Yeah, 14 trades closed in 4 days, right? Because we didn't trade, because Friday was Christmas, so we had no activity. And to top it off, it really wasn't 4 days, because the 4th day was Christmas Eve here, where I just closed that 1 trade that was open from Wednesday, and then I let the signal rest. So it really is 3 days. 14 trades closed in essentially 3 days, right? So it was a really amazing, really great trading week. Okay, so I'm going to end it here, and I think I like this format where I'm kind of summarizing each day, week at a time, but I do each day of the week because I can keep the videos short. I can focus on, where we're headed, and how we're progressing. And then if there's anything unusual, like for example, these big moves against us, because some of these, they get kind of scary sometimes, right? I do want to mention that because, okay, I'm doing great. This bot is doing great, but I'm not always calling them right. And under certain situations, like that, when you call it wrong, it could really hurt. And you've seen that in previous videos where we got wrecked and we had to recover. So that's really all I have at this time. I do want to remind you to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, I want to thank you guys for your support. Like I said before, the ZuluTrade subscriptions are really starting to come in now. My rank on ZuluTrade has gone up significantly, so that's also contributing to the amount of people following me. The last time I checked, I think I was like number 9. That's like worldwide, right? So that's not something to laugh at, right? ZuluTrade has what 60,000+ traders, and only like the top 1,000 are allowed to have followers, right? And out of that top 1,000, I'm what, like number 9, I think, the last time I checked. So yeah, this is amazing stuff. Okay, and I have reason to believe I know what I'm talking about here if I can rank that high. And I'm not to brag, but I'm just saying, look, man, if you want somebody to help you with your forex, if you want somebody to help you understand how this stuff all works, you got to go to somebody who has the experience, right? And I've been, I've learned every way to get wrecked imaginable, and I've experienced every way to get wrecked imaginable, but I learned from it, right? And so in order to help you not learn every way imaginable to get wrecked, you can learn what I do, and you can ask me questions, and I can help you on your trading journey, right? That's really all I'm doing. I'm showing you what a real trader does, in essentially real time with real data. And then, you can look at that and you can learn and you can grow in your forex trading journey. That's what I'm all about, right? I'm not trying to hit you guys up for money, although I need money for the business, and I gave you a way to help support me that way. But I'm not saying, okay, send me money. I'm saying, help me make you money so that you'll give some of that to me, right? You see what I'm saying? So I'm not hustling here. I'm just documenting things, and I'm helping to educate and empower people, because that's what Odd Beaker does. All right, so that's all I have. You guys be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.